welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working on the Myvi that I've worked on around 5 years ago, and you guys might have seen it in one of the videos that I introduced on Civic. So today I'm going to work on the car, and the customer is already right there, so I'm just going to jump into the cinematic sequence and I'll show you guys everything in the cinematic sequence. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
I'll take a yellow sip, cause I'm tryna have a better day. Ain't gonna get delirious, just sit here by the bay. Might take a bigger sip, starting to feel okay. I think the party's getting serious, so all the other things can wait. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. Done with my second drink, getting a little tipsy. Ain't gonna get delirious, so party hard till I'm 60. All the other things can wait. All the other things can wait. Well, I took too many sips. I mean, what exactly is too many? As long as I'm walking, I'm okay. I'll feel better anyway. Forgot about my problems, but how am I gonna get home? I spend all my money and drinks in our own. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. All the other things can wait. Oh, all the other things can wait. No, all the other things can wait. All the other things can wait.
Guys, so that's the end of the maintenance on the Perodua Myvi, and I hope you guys enjoy the sequence. So it's kind of a short video because I woke up at 8 AM to work on the car, so I am pretty beat up and tired. So I'm gonna go buy some food, have some lunch, and then I will just take a nap because I have something on tonight. So hope you guys enjoyed the video again. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and press on the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button, and I will see you guys soon.